if you want to make utilizing the AWS CLI even more secure, you can pair it with MFA. So it'll create a temporary session. It's going to really be dependent on if you're going to be using hardware MFA or virtual MFA. We're not talking too much about MFA right now. I'm sure somewhere in the course we talk more explicitly about MFA. But anyway, the way it's going to work is that you're going to have an IAM role, and you're going to modify that trust relationship to expect that there to be multi-factor authentication present. And so if your user is assuming that role, then that means you're going to make sure that you're going to need to have that there. So here in our profile, you can see we have the role ARN, right? And so that is the role that we were going to assume. The source profile there, CLI user, is what has the access key and secrets, which is going to assume that role, which is going to check that trust policy to see that MFA is required. We have a flag there called MFA serial, and that is going to point to the MFA device, whether it's hardware or virtual. So when you go and attempt to use the command, it's going to then prompt you for the MFA code. So here you can see I'm using the profile. It says enter MFA code for this particular user. And so, you know, in this case, this is a virtual one. So in my phone, I would have it there and I'd enter the 6 numbers in, and then I would get in there, okay?